Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, O mother, tell me about the verse, and if you apprehend that you will not be able to do justice to orphan girls. Thereupon Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, O my sister's son, it is about that orphan girl who is in the custody of her guardian, and he wishes to marry her for her charm and property, but he does not intend to pay her complete due. So it has been prohibited to marry such girls. It is permitted only in this condition, that they must be given complete due with equity, otherwise they have been ordained to marry other women saves them. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, then the people asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the verdict, whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed the words, and they ask you your verdict concerning women. Say them, Allah gives verdict to you concerning them, and that which is recited to you in the Quran concerning the orphan girls whom you give not what is prescribed for them, and turn your faces from marrying them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in these words commands, when an orphan girl is affluent and of enthralling beauty, they incline to marry her, from bonds of relation with her, and pay her due. But if she is not their favorite on account of lacking in property as well as charms, they abandon her and marry other women. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, when they forsake a girl for being not inclined to them, they enjoy no right to marry a girl to whom they are inclined, provided they must do justice to her, pay the due which she deserves. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5140.